Hello all and welcome to C# videos. In this video we'll see how to create class library in C#.NET. Now in Visual Studio 2017, let us create a new project. From this available templates, we'll select class library.NET framework. Here we have some location and we will name it as maths library and click on OK. So make sure that you have selected class library.NET framework. Click on OK. Now here this class library is created with some class. We are going to create simple maths class. We are going to create add and subtract function in this class. So add with two parameters. So return addition. Create another function for subtract. So return x times y. So you'll find we have simple maths class having two functions. Now for future use, I'm going to make it as seal class. Now build your solution. So go to build and build solution. You will find the build is succeeded and you will find maths library.dll file is created. You cannot run the class library. If you try to run it, you will find so output type of class library cannot be started directly. So you cannot run class library directly. Let us locate this. It is very simple. Go to Solution Explorer, right click on your project and select second last option, open folder in File Explorer. This is your project folder. Go to bin directory and go to debug directory. Inside this you will find maths library.dll is created. Now this is the output file for class library. The extension is .dll and this is also called as assembly. So assembly is output file for .NET application. So I hope this is clear. So next video we'll see how to use this library. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.